came out of school, got your first job 23 years ago in this space. Like, what led you to getting that job? How'd you get into the maintenance reliability space?
Well, I started out at the plant actually as an operator. I had been out of the country doing some drinking water treatment projects. And I brought kind of some of the technology back. It was called a biosand filter. And it's used in like third world, second world sort of countries to help filter the water out of protozoa and bacteria, stuff that makes people sick. So I was like, well, okay, I work for a utility. We got a drinking water treatment plant. Like what's similar, what's different, from the technology the plant uses versus this little filter that I learned how to make. And so I started talking to the chemist, and it turns out it's basically the same technology, except the drinking water treatment plant has standards that the EPA sets, and we have to chlorinate the water and do a lot of other things that these little biosand filters don't have to do to meet people's needs. But it's pretty cool. Anyway, I got started. That got me in the plant. I wanted to be an operator, and then because I had a college degree, they had a CMMS at the plant. When the plant was built, they bought it with a control system, and they had never really got it set up except for the asset and location hierarchy.
Yeah.
So really my first job was kind of to sit in there and build storeroom in it, and kind of just the more I used it, the more I liked it. And it just kind of grew from there. It's been a long journey with it, so to speak, but it's been a good one.